Hello everyone, today in this video we will discuss how to fix camera scan QR code on Narzo 100 Lite. Let's start the video. If you want to fix this problem, so go to app library. Here click on settings app. Now in setting, scroll down and click on apps. After click on apps, click on app management. Scroll down and click on camera app. After click on camera app, if you want to fix this problem, so click on force stop. After click on force stop, go back to home screen. You will see your problem is solved. But if it not solved, so click on settings app and search QR scan. So turn on or turn off scan QR code. So turn on or turn off scan QR code. Go back to home screen. You will see your problem is solved. But if it's still not solved, click on settings app, scroll down to and click on apps, click on app management, scroll down and click on camera app, click on storage usage, click on clear cache. After click on clear cache, go back to home screen. You will see your problem is solved. But if it doesn't fix this problem, so last option is software update. Click on settings app, scroll down and click on system and update. Click on software update. You will check your software update is latest. If it not latest, update your software latest. After update software latest, go back to home screen. You will see your problem is solved. So that's how you can fix camera scan QR code on Narzo 100 Lite. If you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.